So what do I do? Just sit here and do nothing?
Showcase your toys.
Hi kids, today we're gonna showcase myself. There's my face.
And
It's just a wooden railway. It's just a wooden railway, James. The 2023 version. Oh my gosh, the Diapet James! Yay! I knew it!
hey kids.
Here's my Diapet James, another one. Now Hero has a friend.
That's right, kids.
Where'd you find this, D? Is that the same store?
Yeah.
Wait, it's tender. It's a bit funky. Wow. Here he is, guys.
Wow, that's the tender. Tell the kids. What is it?
It's James.
And what does he have?
Ooh, the gold brass whistle.
Yeah.
Oh my.
What else?
Can I see his? I can see my face on his boiler.
Yeah, it's so shiny, right?
Ooh, look under. There's some features.
Ah, see through. What
Yeah.
else?
His bogey moves.
Yeah.
Is-
And the tender.
Yeah, we have
the
a
tender and the number
number 5.
Where's your wooden James, sweetie?
This is just an update of James, the Wooden Railway James, but it's basically just me painted red.
I have one more here, actually.
Wait, what?
Another kind of James in my bag. Yeah, show the kids the other James.
Oh yeah, I forgot. The orange is gold James.
So,
Wooden Railway has his tender.
two different James.
His tender.
Show that one.
I updated the models.
It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Now we can try and see how it runs there. You can let the kids listen to the sound of the track.
Yeah, you can hear it. Wait, here it is. Here, wait. Wait a second. It's so satisfying. Yeah. Oh, there's an open funnel. There's an open funnel. So you can put something in there.
Oh, they can hear you. It's the microphone.
There's an open funnel so you can put steam in it. Yeah. Wait, there's a screw to remove the front wheel. So I have to be careful with this thing.
Alright, let's tell the kids.
See you later, everyone. Goodbye.